Molex as a connector company, I think bridging that gap from connectors to bus bars is where they find value. A bus bar is a solid conductor made out of copper aluminum. The advantage over a cable is you have less points of contact, better impedance, better current capabilities, and just the ease of routing it inside of a system. You'll see bus bars in HVAC applications for buildings, the power grid, automotive, and battery management systems. So this is an example of our ORV3 bus bar, which is the spine of all the data racks. You've got copper conductors, you have insulators, and you have cages to keep the safety rating there. There's vents to get the airflow through. Where we work with customers is building up the copper cross sections to run more current through it. Here would be a good example of our flexible bus bar. It's going to give me better manufacturability, easier routing. We can incorporate our sockets right onto the end of the bus bar, so we can provide a bus bar with interconnect, so your upper level assembly is easier. Everything we touch kind of has a purpose in connecting each other, so we're testing the boundaries with both current and the applications to yield what the future society looks like.